Alright, good afternoon. It's another brand of amazing nationwide campers, and live with me here is the new set of administrative individuals. Always your Fidelis Ekenedibichukwu is my name, and of course beside me is the Chief Executive Manager of the company, Mr. AY, and of course two big instructors on seat, like what you call the boomerang of the school. So now let's talk more, let's meet people, let's start knowing. People have been asking, where are the instructors, where are the lecturers, who are these individuals, what do we have? Of course, it's surprising to know that the Chief Executive Officer is a very great instructor, and at the same time, again, I'm moving with another big top birds, the father of the 257 elements in the world, Chief Ratio. And of course, let's meet Ratio. Mr. Ratio, the students want to know, what is on ground from your angle this semester? What is the cyclogen bomb? Let's hear from you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rashid, a student called me Ratio. I graduated of the University of Lagos, so I teach chemistry and biology courses here. So, what meets me every Saturday as I demystify for you every hard concept in chemistry. Trust me, it's going to be great. Just a class will convince you. Some of you, you've seen it before. So why you stay? What are you doing at home? All your mates have already started class. Just come and join us and let the vibe continue. Thank you.
That's a real big work from Mr. Rashid, popularly known as Ratio in chemistry. And of course, he said something. The class this year is going to be great. But now let's meet the father of mathematics, Mr. Okuno, chief expert in math. Mr. Okuno, everyone wants to know from you, I myself and the students looking around you, what is in store from Amazing Nationwide Campus? As it says, nationwide.
All right, thank you very much. My name is David Okuno, like you said. I teach mathematics here. I'm a graduate of industrial mathematics from Adekunle Ajasin University. And I can tell you, as a lecturer and as a student, that everything you do in life is all surrounded by mathematics. There's nothing that mathematics has not affected in your life. Every day of your life, you do dy dx, you just don't know. Speed over time, you do that, but you don't know. But I can tell you, the secret is with us here. Come around, don't stay there. Just come around here, let's show it to you, and I'm sure you'll be convinced. Thank you.
Of course, you just heard what Mr. Okuno said. Every day is mathematics. That is what the chief is saying. But I'm going to tell you something at the end of the whole presentation. See what we have in store. Let's meet the man of the mountainous fire, Chief Elijah, another IT expert and guru. Mr. Elijah, everyone out there in the globe is waiting for you. What do you have in store?
All right, my name is Mr. Sikiru Olatunji Elijah, a graduate of computer science in Osun State University. I'm a computer educator, and I want to believe that the world has moved from traditional literacy to digital literacy. And it is imperative for us to follow the trend of the world. The bedrock of the present world economy lies on ICT. And so it is important for us to explore the world of computing. And in this citadel of learning, we are going to learn more about what is obtainable in the world and how can we fit into any parastatal. So I want to assure you, in the aspect of programming, database, graphics, of course we are ready for you, and trust me, any course pertaining to CIT, you will dust it and beyond. I want to believe that coming to this place is going to be a wonderful place that you ever love to tell others about it. Thank you.
That is really serious. Another big chapter from Amazing Nationwide Campus, and the man said, from traditional literacy to digital literacy, you are going to be dusting alone. But now let's meet another important personnel. Chief Expert Lawal, the certified advanced English language technology expert. What does he have to say? Mr. Lawal, I've been looking forward to seeing you as the chief expert in English. The world is waiting for you. What do you have in store?
Joy, greetings to you, the Honorable Nornight and also tutors who respect the amazing nationwide campus I wish you a great academic success story. Amen. So be it. My name hasn't changed. I'm known as Mr. Lawal, the British English speech consultant, consultee, instructor, facilitator, editor, proofreader, comic actor, a member of the Association of Phoneticians and Phonologists of Nigeria, the British Voice Association, internations, among others. What do I like to do? I like to add values. What kind of value are we talking about? Educational value, linguistic to be precise. Here at the amazing nationwide campus, what I do is to add values to the students with respect to what kinds of courses in NG 121, OSI, GS 101, the use of English and communication skills 102. That's my tutor with respect to amazing nationwide campus. I wish you all. I'm also looking forward to welcoming you in order to be blessed academically, in order to have more knowledge, sapience, and also to be a president of good educational status. May you graduate successfully. Amen. So be it.
Of course, live from the chief expert and the strong predecessor, many successes from you, sir, Mr. Lawal. And of course, but let's hear something. We've been waiting to know, what does the chief executive officer instruct? Where is his field? What does he do? Where does he go? What do we work with? And of course, let's hear from the CEO of the ANWC family and also the campus, Mr. AY. The world is on ground and is set to hear from you. What do you have in store? What is the expansion of Amazing Nationwide Campus going to be like from nation to global to intercontinental? What is in store?
All right, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kayode Timitayo Ayobide. I'm an accountant. I train students in accounting. Are you having challenges in your accounting courses? You know, many students don't know that there's a difference between accounting and accounts. There's so many things that are mystery behind accounting. Here, we are trying to simplify it. Many of our students, we've produced so many graduates back in the years. Many of our students are in the labor market, they are doing great. Oh, this is not just miracle. We actually made it happen. So what are you still waiting for? You have to come, get the lecture so that your life will never remain the same. Thank you.
And of course, live from the Chief Executive Officer, you're hearing something big. Your life will never remain the same. Here, we need you to meet the board of the sinusoidals. We're doing a lot of things, but at the same time, what does Mr. Fidelis do? Well, here I work as a multiple service instructor, and there's a whole lot to do. Looking right behind us are many of the students who are with us, hollering and hailing and shouting, something is going to be happening live this semester. Come join us. But let me shock you. In the platform, there are over 6,000 students with us live on our platform. And on the site, we have more than 1,500 students joining us every day. At the same time, every instructor here does what is called anniversary. What do they have? Active Instructing Service Anniversary. But let's hear from the Chief Executive Officer. Who is celebrating today? Who is the active instructor? What do we have? How many years anniversary?
Okay, here we have Mr. Fidelis. Today is your birthday, and we birthday, and at the same time, it happens to be your lecturing anniversary at the same time. So please, we would like to hear from you. How many years have you been in service, and people are waiting out there to hear.
Well, it's interesting. Let's talk about it. I always tell everybody, if you go into the field for the sake of money, you have nothing. But if you go into the field for the sake of passion, then you build something. The world is a legion. And the world needs legion of instructors who keep telling people what to do. It's been 12 years of active instructing service. Over a decade, it's not really been easy, but we've been pushing loud. And of course, there are many pioneers behind who are looking up to us to say what is in store. With a whole lot of years, from a very young age to an early 30 to over 30 of years, and in the midst of professors all around us, then we have something to do. Do not forget, This is Amazing Nationwide Campus, and here we are the sinusoidals, and we give you the apex of life.